back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you Sassy, a dog that my friend has. So guys, the light's about to go, so excuse the lighting. Kind of seems good. But here's Sassy. So cute. So sassy. Oh. Let me show you Chloe. Alyssa, you're going on YouTube. Yeah, you're going on YouTube. So here's Sassy one more time. There. Let me show y'all what Sassy did. So if y'all can't see it good, but I'm gonna have to come over here. Bit my finger. There, that bump. It hurts. Sassy, Sassy, Sassy. Oh God. Sassy now. What's my YouTube channel? So, and make me. Alright, so guys, that's today's video. Sorry it's about a minute. But yeah.
Don't you on anything or anybody?
Guys, that's the Logan Paul saying in this track. So turn that off before I get copyrighted. Guys, I didn't want to get copyrighted. I didn't want my